Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Rosalind. And if you are a new subscriber, thank you for watching. Click the like button and possibly subscribe. But this video today is basically going to be about my own personal experience about our almost new dishwasher not cleaning our dishes. We live in a new construction area. We have hard water and the dishes were not getting clean. We had spots, or they just weren't clean at all. Like the water wasn't even getting through to the dishes to clean them. We hired a professional to come out, and they had to come out a second time because the water just wasn't getting cleaned. What we found out, number one, is our softener, something was broke on the softener, so the water was really hard and wasn't getting soft. The second thing we found out is we needed a cleaner for our dishwasher. So nothing was wrong with the dishwasher as to the reason it wasn't being cleaned, but we were not cleaning our dishwasher. So two things I want to share in this video is how to clean your dishwasher with and without purchasing these products behind me. First, I'm going to talk about how to clean it with the products you already have at home. So the first thing you can do is get 1 cup of vinegar. 1 cup of vinegar. Put that cup in your dishwasher and run it on high heat, high wash. Just wash it like you would regular. No dishes in there, but just the cup of vinegar. So you'll wash it that way. Once that cycle has completed, sprinkle some baking soda all in your dishwasher. I don't know, however much you want. Just sprinkle the baking soda and do another cycle of a wash, and that should get you straight, okay? If that does not work, ta-da! So you can use these products behind me. So the first one that I use, and this was recommended by the guy who came out to possibly fix the dishwasher. He was like, the only thing we can think of to do next is this, because they couldn't find anything wrong with the dishwasher. So this is Glisten, Glisten. I don't know if you can see that. Glisten. So what you do with this one, the dishwasher has to be empty, and you're just going to put this upside down in the dishwasher. This like seal on here is going to break with the hot water, but you're supposed to do this once a month. All of your dishwashing cleaning is supposed to happen once a month. So this completely fixed my problem. Like, I literally thought my dishwasher was broke, but because of my hard water, this helped. It says remove lime scale, rust, grease, and buildup, and it disinfects. So this was the first thing I used. And because I was so obsessed about my dishwasher not working again, I was like, I did all kind of research. So you don't have to. So that was the first thing I did. The second thing I did was this one right here. Affresh. This is a tablet, and again, this is once a month too. I was beginning to write my X's on here and I didn't keep up with it, but this Affresh right here, it's a tablet, and actually I'm gonna open it because I'll just use it because I haven't cleaned my dishwasher in a while. This tablet, don't open it when you're talking. This tablet, you can put this in a dishwasher with your dishes or without your dishes. Doesn't matter. So usually if I realize I want to clean it and my dishes are already in there, I'll just do this one. And then this is a booster. This is, I guess, the sister product of this one. This is LemiShine dish detergent booster. So it says no more spots and film. Because I was obsessed of my dishwasher. Now my husband, he could hand wash dishes all day. That's his preference. He don't even use the dishwasher. Me, I gotta use my dishwasher. I don't put my pots and pans in the dishwasher, but I love my dishwasher. So anyway, I bought this, and what I would do is I'll put my regular dishwashing detergent or cleaner in there, and then I'll sprinkle this. This is just powder. Actually, you can use borax too. So if you have borax at home, you don't have to buy anything. That'll work into your dishwasher too. But this is just powder. And I just sprinkle that on the inside of the dishwasher. So those are the 3 products. This was the first one that I bought. I don't have a preference. I was just being obsessive compulsive because, honey, that dishwasher was down for like 2 weeks. We couldn't figure it out. And it literally was just hard water. And so once we fixed it and cleaned it, everything is fine. My dishes are sparkly now, no problems. So let me know if you want me to do a video on how to clean your washing machine. I have one on that one too. So thank you for watching. Please leave a comment if this was helpful. Leave a comment if you tried this. I have a friend who did try this. She had the same issues and it worked for her. So I hope this worked for you, and I hope you found this video helpful. Have a wonderful day.